What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Happy Fundrise Friday. I have not done a Fundrise Friday video in a long time. So I'm going to show you the updates of my portfolio, my dividend appreciation updates, of course, and my future plans and goals with Fundrise. I just got a raise at work. They're very desperate for nurses to stay, so they gave me a $2.50 raise to stay, but I'm still going to travel. That's my plan next year. I'm going to explain to you why I invest in Fundrise. So if you're new to this channel, I also add Fundrise. I have an E-Trade dividend portfolio and M1 Finance dividend portfolio, and I also do dividend stock analysis videos on hot dividend stocks to buy, stocks that are on my radar, and I provide my rationales as to why I invest in those dividend stocks or why I like them and they're on my radar. But let's check out Fundrise. This is what I really like about these guys, a real estate crowdfunding platform. It's very exciting. It's exciting to see this grow with the dividends and appreciation. So let's check this out right now. All right, so I'm in the balanced portfolio. This is the last time that I logged in. I made $42.13 since my last login. In 2021, I made a total of $200.30 in dividends and $431.16 in appreciation. So I made a total of $631.46 with my Fundrise dividend portfolio. So what's exciting is once I created this portfolio pretty much in August, let's just say July 20th, 2018, I started a portfolio and I just said, all right, might as well just throw 10,000. I have all this money in the bank. I'm wasting my time sitting here, not making anything. This is kind of like when I had my awakening, like in July, August, and then I created the Death Star in 2019. But look at how this is doing. It's almost like I'm making $1,000 every 3 years. And I made a total of $2,812.99 with my Fundrise dividend portfolio. And what I plan on doing is actually throwing $100 in a month now to Fundrise. I thought about, building up a crypto portfolio, but again, I'm here for passive income. I'll worry about crypto staking another time. I really like, my crypto portfolios a little bit. I like to have like 1 to 5% of my crypto portfolio, but Fundrise is really doing well. Things are looking really good. The appreciation and dividends are looking really good. And, I'm in the balanced portfolio, and I'll show you what the balanced portfolio is about and why I invest in it. Another reason why I invest in Fundrise is I really don't have time to do active real estate, renovations and all that. I'm in graduate school. Like, I can't just drop everything when I'm seeing my patients being a registered nurse. And being in graduate school, all I do is pretty much study, do videos, work out, and that's my life for this year, pretty much. So this is what I have to worry about. I really put a lot of time and effort into school. So far, I'm doing very well. I want to keep it that way. So these guys are doing the work for me, and this is what Fundrise is all about. So if you're interested in signing up with Fundrise, I do have an affiliate link. You do get a special on it, so just check that out once you click the link in my comment section. But look at this thing with my portfolio. The allocation is opportunistic, value add, core plus, and fixed income. So let's go to the fixed income with my projects, just some of them. These are apartment renovations. These are stabilized apartments. These are construction. And my portfolio is just beginning. Let me show you this. So I have the Fundrise E-Fund, which is basically like where I get all this stuff in appreciation. Growth E-Rate, the E-Coast E-Rate, the Heartland E-Rate, the Income E-Rate, the Interval Fund, which I find very interesting. This is something that's new, and these guys are really cool. And I think I'm going to start putting more money into these guys. So I've earned $10.12 with this appreciation. Now their projects, I'll show you what they're all about real quick with their fund details. So their interval fund is an unlisted, closed-ended management investment company that is operated in the interval fund. The fund intends to elect to be taxed as a real estate investment trust under the Internal Code of 1986. As amended the code, the fund's investment objective is to seek and generate income while secondarily seeking long-term capital appreciation with low to moderate volatility and low correction with broader markets. There can also be no assurance that the fund will achieve its investment objective. That's okay. The current net asset value is 1086. The fund pursues the investment objective by investing under normal circumstances at least 80% of its net assets in a diversified portfolio of private real estate and publicly traded real estate investments. Such investments can be comprised from the primary asset classes, primary CRE investments, primarily in the form of equity and debt, and publicly traded real estate debt and equity securities. So let me show you the prospectus on this. So the fund, here's the big thing. The investment objective is to seek and generate income while doing the long-term appreciation, okay? And the other thing, it owns and operates through its Fundrise LLC, through various mobile applications sponsored by Rise companies. So these guys, what their investment strategies are basically, this is what the biggest thing is. Okay, the fund will gain exposure to private CRE through co-investment arrangements, joint ventures, or wholly owned subsidiaries, which is real estate investment vehicles. And then the potential investment structure of real estate investment vehicles through themselves may vary. So let me get to the nitty and gritty of this, and once I show you the rest of my portfolio and why this is an important fund. So the thing is, these guys are renovating apartments. Okay, this is why these guys are important. See, these are rental homes. Okay, there's opportunities for appreciation in these, and income. So these things will generate money, appreciation. Okay, this is what's really nice. The appreciation is the important part of why I'm in the balanced portfolio. And I'm going to go back to the portfolio real quick. The E fund, okay, this is all on appreciation. So things are, when things appreciate, okay, when you buy a car depreciates. When you own a building, things appreciate. So this is opportunistic, all right, the E fund. And these projects, the appreciation goes up with these rental, and it goes back to you as an investor. So I'm not doing any work in this. These guys are doing the work, and it's just stabilizing. It's not even fully operational. This is what makes it exciting, because more and more passive income will kick in. It'll start growing. It'll start getting bigger and stronger, and I'm going to earn passive income. Now I'm going to jump back to the portfolio. There's a few other things. So things like the income E-rate right here, these are strictly mostly dividends. There's not a lot of appreciation, barely anything, but these guys are more dividends. A lot of people like more of the dividends than appreciation. I like the balance of dividends and appreciation. I'm not doing any work, and they're doing it for me. And every week I see all these new projects that are coming through my email with Fundrise. They sold something, they made a lot of money, they acquired something new. So all of us as investors, we're doing a great job to keep this E-rate and this fund fantastic. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So here's the thing with the income E-rate. So this one is mostly dividends, okay? And I'll show you what I mean. So I like the balance of dividends and appreciation. This one's more on the income side. But again, I want appreciation so that I'm earning it both. And you can be a little bit more aggressive by being balanced versus just doing the income fund. So that's why I like the balance fund versus the straight income fund. And I'm going to show you a few more things that make things interesting. So here's how things have been looking with my portfolio. I made $106.58. So you're seeing it starting to grow a little bit. Here's in January before things hit a nosedive with the pandemic. I was at 95. Then I was at right around July at 42, and then I was at 78. And then the National E Fund, the redemption, boom. Investment Fundrise E Fund, boom. Okay, there's a thing going on. So I'm earning dividends, and then I'm getting stuff from my balance investing, dividend reinvestment. So I'm just reinvesting the dividends from these earnings, and things are getting really good. And guess what I'm doing with the appreciation? I'm reinvesting the appreciation into this portfolio, and I'm making passive income. So how do you say no about that when you are not doing anything? Okay, I'm not owing any funds, and thank you guys for signing up under my affiliate link, because we don't have to pay any special fees like what they do, and I'll show you. These advisory fees, when you sign up or you get a friend to sign up, and basically when if somebody uses my affiliate link, they don't have to pay advisory fees for X amount of days. So it's actually convenient for the both of us. So right now I'm not paying any advisory fees, and things are looking pretty strong. So I encourage you to click my affiliate link if you're interested in owning Fundrise. And I like the balanced portfolio. So I'm revealing to you why I like it in the portfolio and the dividends that are coming in. So I like the dividends. I like the appreciation, which are reinvested. And that's how things are looking. It's very exciting. I'm growing. I mean, I made a total of $2,812.99. So that's very exciting. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to make a comment in the comment section. This is my update, my Fundrise real estate dividend portfolio. So you guys take care and have a good one. I'm going to post a new video tomorrow on some hot dividend stocks to buy. So take care.